Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So an unknown error occurred if you, when you're using your Facebook app, so how you can fix it. So mostly it happened because you have some problems with your network. So first thing, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using cellular data, just turn on and turn off your cellular data. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your iPhone. So just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you too, just try to remove your Facebook app and just install again from App Store. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just write in search tab Facebook and just tap on get button here, and it will successfully download and install Facebook on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, goodbye and goodbye.